Hi, I'm thankful to the Spark Build team. The guys were very flexible and very cooperative in their approach. And actually, I stay out of country. That's why it was very difficult for me to find the right agency, right partner to build or construct my house. We have been very picky, and our choices in terms of elevation plannings, we were very confused. But finally, we found out somebody like Spark Build. They have been very neat, very clear, and very flexible, to be honest. And they have been trying to accommodate a lot of demands and requests or adjustment I was trying to make during the journey. So I think my experience with them has been fantastic, and I certainly wish them good luck and a lot of work, a lot of success in their work they are doing. Thank you very much, Spark.